Right now, if you ask business people what is the number one issue that they are experiencing in their business, they will all tell you, or at least most of them will be able to tell you that it is staffing. Finding great people to help them run their businesses is the biggest challenge that they are confronting today. And for that reason, in this show, I want to share with you the number one way to reduce turnover in your organization. Because the best way for you to now be staffed is to be able to not only hire the great people, but really to focus on retaining the ones that you have been able to attract into your organization. If you're able to do that, you will be able to win the game of staffing in the workplace. And so here it is, the number one way for you to reduce turnover in your organization. And that is to care about your people. That's it. I know that for those of you that are listening to me, like, of course I should care about people. But here's the deal. When you care about people, you will mostly do the right things. So you really need to look deep into your soul and see what is the intention and the focus that you have when you're running your business. Are you truly focusing on your people, or are you focusing on growth? Are you focusing on profit? Are you focusing on just running operations? If you truly care about people, your number one priority will be your people. And normally, if you focus on people and you care about them and you do mostly the right things, that will translate into business success. And that is just inevitable. Your customer's experience will never exceed your employees' experience. And for that reason, the time and effort and money that you focus on caring for your people will come back to you 10 times over. Now, when you do care about your people, there are certain things that you do naturally. For example, you make sure that they're properly trained, and you make sure that the processes to train them in the areas that they need so that they can feel comfortable, capable, and confident at their work. You will naturally hire great people because you want your people to be with other great people. And that will be something that you will naturally do. You will also provide the right tools, the right equipment, the right, maintenance and support so that they are able to do their job the best possible way. And that is how you're going to be demonstrating automatically how much you care about them. If you care about your people, you would automatically think of ways how they can grow from a team member into a leader in your organization. And you will create processes and procedures to make that happen because you care about your people. Because you care about your people, you will be giving them focus on objectives and goals. And when they achieve them, you will recognize them and you will be supporting them and you will be giving them rewards because of it. And when they don't achieve them, you will be looking into why they do not achieve them and then provide them what they need, whether it's training, tools, support, or simply encouragement. These are the type of things that will happen when you care about your people. And that's why caring about your people is the number one way to improve retention in your organization. Now, caring about your people is not enough. You need to do the second part. And the second part is you need to make sure that they know that you care about them. Many times, franchisees, business owners on their own at home thinking how much they care about the people, they think about them, they do the right things for them. But a lot of the times employees miss that whole part, that the reason why you're doing all of these things is because you actually care about them. It is not enough to care about them, but you need to make sure that they know that you care about them, because that is when the magic happens. You care about them, you do the things that demonstrate that you care about them, and then you let them know that you're doing these things because you care about them. And the moment that it clicks in the brain that you actually do care about them and they see and notice the evidence of such thing, here is where the magic happens. Here is where the commitment, the loyalty, the extra effort is going to come from your people, because not only do you care about them, but now it matches the fact that they know that. And when this happens, here's where turnover goes down in your organization. You can look around in the companies that have the lowest turnover in their business, and you will see leaders that truly care about the people, and the people know that they are cared for. So the next time you're looking for the magic bullet to see how you are able to improve your retention, or should I say reduce your turnover, really make a check on yourself and your leaders. Do you and do they truly care about your people? Hope that this message made you think of something that you can do to either show that you care or to make sure that your people know how much you care about them, so that you are able to reduce the turnover in your organization, improve the morale and the culture and experience at work, and have your business be successful for the long term. If you'd like to learn more about what are the types of things that you can do to demonstrate how much you care about your people, you might want to visit us at AmericanFranchiseAcademy.com, where we can share with you the many ways that you can do that. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next show. Bye-bye.